had so much fun designing this flyer in Photoshop. If you want to bear with me, kindly stay to the end of this video, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, as this will enable me provide more content of this sort. Okay. I started creating the background, starting with 2 shades of cyan, one darker than the other, and then most importantly, the lighter one beneath the darker one. I then found this beautiful flower downloaded from the internet and then added it to the base of the canvas. I continued the mission by placing this romantic photograph on the canvas and then starting to get rid of the background using the pen tool to trace the edges of the photograph carefully. Although colleague designers use different approaches in removing backgrounds of photos in Photoshop, I chose to stick to the pen tool due to its precision, provided you make a good trace. And to be frank, there are a couple of websites that provide free background removal of photos, but it's either they reduce the quality of your photo or you are limited to the number of photos you can process, provided it's free. This process seems to be a time-wasting one, but by and by, it will yield a good result. Adding typography in an arc form was part of my priorities, so I started by creating an ellipse and then typing around it. Added a sub text by decreasing the size of the ellipse and then typing around it again. At this point, enjoy the video comfortably with the soundtrack as I add other elements to the design.